Your Eureka E10s robot vacuum needs one thing to work its best: to be clean. Let's clean your robot vacuum step by step and get it running like new in just a few minutes. Turn off the base station and open its dust compartment. Remove the dust cap and empty all collected debris into a trash bin. If dust is stuck, gently tap the cap or wipe it with a dry cloth, then rinse it with clean water. Ensure it is completely dry before reinstalling to maintain proper suction and prevent any damage to the unit. Remove the filter from the dust container carefully. Tap it gently against a surface to dislodge loose dust and dirt. For a deeper clean, rinse it under running water, but ensure it is completely dry before reinstalling to prevent damage and maintain strong airflow. Detach the side brushes and main brush to remove tangled hair, threads, or debris. Use the cleaning tool to scrape off dirt from the bristles and brush housing. Remove the mop cloth. Wash it thoroughly with water to eliminate stains and dust, and let it air dry fully before reattaching for the next cleaning cycle. That's all it takes to clean your Eureka E10s. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.